We got another Cayenne S here. Seems to be the blue ones always break. Guys, don't buy a blue one. Blue ones are always breaking. Look at my videos, you'll see all the blue ones are always broken. Okay, what are we looking at here? Well, let's start from scratch. We got the wheel off, and we are looking at an empty hole here where we had an alternator at one point. These alternators are water cooled, and they will go out and cost lots of money to replace. Do not even think about putting an aftermarket one, because you will be back here screwing around with it again, and it will probably not even last a year. If you're lucky, it'll even last you a couple months. Okay, so let's go back to our alternators here. As you can see, that's a original one, pretty obvious, and here's a brand new one. Just by looking at them really quick, they pretty much look identical, and this is why shops have to charge what they charge. It's about a 6 to 7 hour job, depending on who's doing it, because you have to do a conversion on it, and the conversion consists of different plumbing fixtures here in order to route them sideways, as this one is at the top. And this is a significant improvement over the old one, but again, time will tell. Of course, you have this line as well, because you have the side piece. The line actually stays identical, but when you remove the originals, they break, dry rot, so they just over time just wear out. And then there's also this bracket for the harness to make it look really clean. So the thermostat, not the thermostat, the generator here has to be replaced with the new unit. If any of you guys want to know how much it costs, I will tell you right now. It's right under $2,000 from the dealer. Right under $2,000. And it's a $300 core charge. So if you want to get an alternator replaced, it's $2,000. That's right. But who said that owning a Porsche was going to be cheap? So if there's anybody that's surprised right now and saying, hey, what a ridiculous price. It is ridiculous, I agree. But again, pay to play, folks. When you pay to play, you never complain about price. You just fix the car and keep on going. This is actually a problem child here. I'm going to make a video about it soon. It's completely water flooded inside. We have to pull the carpeting out because neglected services, guys. No cleaning the gutters. Gutters need to be cleaned, and customer parks under trees, so she's got all sorts of problems, but the alternator is one of them right now. But at least it's a nice car. It was bought brand new. It was a one-owner vehicle, and surprisingly has been extremely reliable. It's a 2006 model, and she is super cool customer. I love working on her cars because she understands what it takes to maintain this vehicle and never complains about it, because she knows we take care of her right, and we're not going to take her for a ride. We just fix what's needed, do the services, and get everything put back on and get her back on the road. So if we look at the wiring harness, that has to be replaced too. The actual wiring connector has to be changed out. That purple black connector right there, that will be swapped out as well, because that's part of the service on it. And a couple other things here. Let me see here. That hose that you see in the back there, that will be swapped out as well. So that is what it takes to replace an alternator on Cayenne. Although they are fairly rare to fail, because they are water cooled. So water makes its way in here, cools the whole unit up. This was kind of what everybody was doing, including BMW and a bunch of other makes, because it was popular to make over-engineered alternators, generators, and have later on problems like this. At least this one's not leaking from the seams. You can see the significantly different change in the design. This one's actually a more open design. This is more closed. So, but just about everything else is identical except the routing ports, and this is a genuine part from Porsche. So we only install genuine parts. We don't want to mess with anything else because we want our customers to stay happy and not bring their cars in for repairs because their crappy alternator from AutoZone went out, or from, nothing wrong with that company I just mentioned, they could just carry crappy parts sometimes. Maybe I shouldn't have mentioned that. Okay, let's forget about that other company I mentioned. No, but they do carry crappy parts, never mind. So that's it. We have everything here and we're about to replace it. I'll make a video about water intrusion and what it costs to repair that. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.